This mill was losing money daily due to inefficient automation until they added Daemon AI. The Wavefeeder was the most inefficient machine at this timber mill. Now their Wavefeeder runs fully automated, without unreliable photo eyes, and with minimal operator input. Let's see it in action. When a log enters the conveyor, Daemon AI recognizes the change instantly. Watch as it transitions from go to stop as soon as the next log reaches the conveyor. This Wavefeeder will continue to go because it wants to advance that log to the top. As it's advancing that log to the top, this area comes free. Then the short chain knows it can feed another log in here. Here is the go early feature. This means that if this chain is running fast, the conveyor can go ahead and start the next log. If that chain's running slow, the log will wait until it reaches the standard go state. It communicates with the PLC, which knows the speed of the conveyor and determines the precise moment to resume or stop feeding the next log. After adding Daemon AI, this mill set new production records. They eliminated photo eye problems and unlocked a faster, more reliable Wavefeeder. Are you ready to replace outdated systems with AI-driven automation? Go to daemonautomation.com to schedule your free consultation.